In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar for productivity. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable system that keeps your week organized and your priorities clear. Start by opening Google Calendar. On the left panel, click the plus sign beside Other Calendars, then choose Create New Calendar. Make separate calendars for the key parts of your life: work, content creation, clients, personal growth, personal and health. Give each calendar a distinct color so you can scan your week at a glance and instantly understand what you're looking at. Bright, high contrast colors help, and you can toggle calendars on or off to narrow your focus when you need it. This simple setup makes your schedule visually organized and easier to manage. Next, set your defaults so you don't have to tweak every event. Click the gear icon, go to Settings, then Event Settings. Choose a default event duration, like 30 or 60 minutes. Set default reminders, 10 minutes and 1 hour before works well, and pick your notification style, email, or pop-up. These defaults apply to new events and prevent missed tasks, while still letting you adjust reminders for important meetings. Now time block your day. Instead of a long to-do list, place tasks directly on the calendar. For example, schedule 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock a.m. for admin tasks, 9 o'clock to 11 a.m. for deep work, 1 o'clock to 2 p.m. for client calls, and 4 o'clock to 5 p.m. for content creation. Treat these like appointments with yourself. If something runs long, drag the block to extend it, and if a task repeats, duplicate it. Protect these blocks and you'll notice more consistent progress. When an activity happens on a schedule, make it recurring. Open the event, set it to repeat, and choose the frequency. Great candidates include weekly planning on Sunday night, a monthly budget review, regular client check-ins, and your gym schedule. Recurring events automate your routine, reduce planning time, and help you stick to habits. Use focus time to reserve distraction-free work and automatically limit meeting interruptions. Mark out of office for times you're unavailable, so invitations are declined politely. Turn on tasks integration so quick to-dos live on your calendar and don't get lost. Finally, sync everywhere. Install the Google Calendar app on your phone, enable notifications, sync with Gmail, and connect Zoom or Google Meet. Meeting invites from email will appear automatically, complete with join links, making it easy to show up on time. Inside each event, use the description to store the meeting agenda, notes, important links like Zoom or Google Docs, and a simple checklist. Keeping context in one place saves clicks and reduces last-minute scrambling. Put these pieces together, and your calendar becomes a powerful command center for your day. Try it today and watch your productivity rise.